Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a 3-color balloon column tutorial. Let's go. So you're gonna need 3 colors of your choice. One is gonna be your primary color and then the other 2 are going to be secondary. In this case, red is going to be my primary color. You're also going to need a balloon sizer, and we are going to be sizing our 12-inch balloons down to 8 inches. All of my columns are made out of 10 quads. Each quad is going to have 2 red balloons because that is the primary color, and then the other 2 balloons are going to be your secondary color. This is what your quad should look like. The next thing you want to do is start securing your quads onto a pole. I am using a IKEA floor lamp today, and it is important to keep the primary colors next to each other, and then you're going to slide the balloons onto the pole between one of the primary colors and one of the secondary colors, as you can see me doing here. And then you're going to twist them to secure it and press down on them so that it lays flat. And now you're just going to repeat that 9 more times. Again, slide the balloons onto the pole between a secondary color and the primary color, and then just twist it to secure, and then you're going to see your spiral forming. You can check halfway to make sure that you're doing it right, but honestly it's really straightforward from here. As you can see here, when I'm twisting it on the pole, it doesn't always end up in the right direction, so then I just twist it until all of the balloons are aligned correctly to go with the spiral, and then that's pretty much it. So it looks very intimidating, but it's honestly not. Like, as you can see here, I twisted it twice and then it got back aligned. Now that I'm almost at the top, you can do this in the beginning as well, I'm going to put a balloon at the top of the pole just to make sure that it doesn't pop any of the balloons, and then I'm going to finish off with my last 2 quads. You're also going to need a bigger balloon. I'm going to use an 18-inch balloon today, but you can also use a 24-inch balloon, whatever you feel like looks better. Now you're going to take a 260Q and tie that to the neck of that bigger balloon to put on top, and then you're going to wrap that 260Q around the balloons in your column. I usually go down like about 2 rows, and then I'm gonna make a knot and hide it in the base of the column, and that is it. So again, might look a little bit challenging, but it's really not. So let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I hope that helps.